Hello there, and welcome back to Twinkl Kids TV. Today, we're going to be learning how to draw a lion. As with every How to Draw video, we're going to be using our pencil to sketch out the first layer before adding more detail with our pen. Now we have everything we need, let's get going! We're going to start by drawing a circle for the lion's face. Inside the circle, draw a cross. This will help us figure out where the lion's features go. On the bottom half of the cross, draw 2 more lines going down to the bottom of the circle. Although it looks a bit weird now, it'll make our drawing so much easier later on. Now draw a wide V shape, connecting the top of the 2 lines you just drew. Sketch a little line off the circle and connect that to a long sausage shape for the body. On the opposite end of the sausage shape you've just made, draw a long wiggly line with a raindrop shape at the end of it. I bet you can guess what that is. Now go back to your lion's head and create 2 semicircles for ears. Towards the front of your lion's body, draw a curved line to the bottom of the sausage shape. To turn it into your lion's leg, draw a straight line off that last curve and add a small oval at the end for a paw. The back legs are going to be sketched in a really similar way, except that the curved line will start from the top and back of the sausage shape this time. Once you've completed the lines of the legs, you can draw a big round line, creating a circle surrounding the lion's face. This will be the mane. It's up to you just how big you make it. Now we've finished with the pencil section of our amazing drawing, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel? And don't forget to click the bell button so you're told every time we upload a brilliant new video. It's time to pick up the pen and finish our awesome lion. We're going to start by going over the V shape we made earlier, drawing a line at the top to create an upside-down triangle. Once you've done this, you can trace the line below it halfway and finish by drawing a curved line so your lion has a smile. Draw a big U shape under the smile for the lion's chin. Of course, your lion needs to see. How else would he know where he wants to laze about or where his next meal is? To give the lion eyes, draw 2 curves at the top of his face, adding in a line under each one to make him look happy. For detail, add in 2 smaller circles to the eyes, colouring in the bigger one to show where the light is reflecting from. To complete the face, trace around the rest of the circle. Of course, not forgetting the ears. You can add in smaller curves for extra definition. To outline the mane, use little squiggles to show just how wild and bushy it is. Trace a smooth curve around the sausage shape all the way to the bottom of the back leg, before doing the same with the other side of the leg. Match the 2 sides up by following the line all the way to the oval and round. Draw 3 little lines to give your lion some claws. Now you can repeat these curves and lines, but with the front legs. Make sure to trace over any remaining lines you can see of the sausage shape, which you can see is now the lion's body. Finally go over that wiggly line for your lion's tail, adding in squiggles to the end of it to show how fluffy it is. And there you have your lion. How cool is he? Thanks for joining us today at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see the next video in our How to Draw series.